Greetings from Shakthi International School. Here in this video, we are going to see few more options from Magic Tool, because I have shown some of the options which is available in the Magic Tool in Text Paint in the previous video. This is part 2. We are going to see few more options which is available in the Magic Tool. That means Text Paint Magic Tool. I'm going to share the screen for the demo. Hope everyone can see the Text Paint screen. Here we know which is Magic Tool, where it is. It's a blue color Magic Tool. The name itself describing the things. When we are clicking this Magic Tool, we are having a lot of options in this right side. Already we have seen how to draw the flower, grass, rails and bricks. Now the same thing, I'm going to show some few other options which is available in the Magic Tool. Here I'm just going to create one more what I can say. I'm going to create some of the garden or some of few environment for showing some rains and all. Here I just revert this work using the eraser tool. I'm just going to take a Magic Tool again, and I'm going to make a grass over here. See, bricks we have taken for border, right? And usually we are using grass tool, which is for making the garden greenish. I'm taking the green color and I'm using here for this. And we know the flower, I'm taking red color for making a flowers. For it's looking so pretty. So it's completed. Now I'm going to show you some more options from the Magic. See here, rain also we have seen. The garden is filled with the raindrops. After that, today we are going to see a rainbow. Here we are having two different rainbow options. I'm going to show you the real rainbow. See how much you are bending. It will bend and will show very nicely. See here, once after we are removing the hands from our mouse, it's showing exactly looks like a rainbow. Its name of this option is real rainbow. Or else we can go here, simple rainbow option. It's in just a color alone we can see, but when we are using this real rainbow, it looks like really rainbow. The next option I'm going to show you here, snowball. You know that snow rain, right? See, you can see the difference. It's a snowball. Just for a single click, we can have a snowball in our garden. Also, we are having one more option called snowflake. See here. You can see the snowflake option also available in this Magic option, which is very pretty. Last option I'm going to show you is a tornado. See here how it is. I'm clicking tornado. See, we can have a tornado in our garden. So tornado is a new application to new options which is available in the Magic Tool. Also snowball, also snowflake. So these many new options are available. Also we have seen a real rainbow which looks like very much pretty. See, so these many options are available in Magic Tool, from which we can create a very creative work. We can create a creative garden work or any of the natural work we can do by using the Magic Tool. So children, make all the options which is available in the Magic Tool and do your work very innovatively and creatively. Thank you all.